Businessmen Arifa Aliyeva and Akif Zulfugarov claim that they are victims of fraud and courts and law enforcement agencies in Azerbaijan do not protect their rights. Arifa Aliyeva, director and co-founder of the Khudafarin-AN LLC, bought a two-story building and a land property of 500 square meters on 192 Suleyman Rustam Street and built a shopping center here. A fire broke out in the shopping center on August 5, 2010. The Ministry of Emergency Situations determined that it was arson and a police investigation was opened. However, this investigation was left incomplete. Then Aliyeva signed an agreement with Ariz LLC and lent the property to the latter. The latter undertook an obligation to repair the center and pay a 2,000 manat monthly rental. The parties agreed that Ariz LLC would buy the property after Khudafarin LLC had registered the property in its own name. Ariz LLC co-founder Akif Zulfugarov says he involved his relative Mehman Hasanov in this process. We agreed that I would invest money and Mehman would engage in the construction and management of the facility. After it, I signed a rent agreement with the property owner, notes Zulfugarov. Later, Mehman Hasanov defrauded both Aliyeva and Zulfugarov, faking the rent agreement. The law enforcement agencies did not bring him to justice, although the falsification was obvious. Hasanov repaired the shopping center and lent it, but it doesn't pay rental to the legal owner. Above all, Hasanov and his fellows evicted Arifa Aliyeva, her spouse and her two daughters from the shopping center. In this case, officers from Nasimi District Police No. 22 used force against the family. The property owner appealed to the court, but Sharafat Mammadova, the judge of the Baku Administrative Economic Court No. 1, granted the counter-appeal by Mehman Hasanov and banned the legal owner from entering the property. Arifa Aliyeva intends to appeal against the decision. She appealed to President Ilham Aliyev and his spouse Mehriban Aliyeva through mass media, asking to ensure her rights and her family's safety. According to Aliyeva, Hasanov disguises his illegal actions using the name of the Interior Minister Ramil Usubov.